Welcome to Teen Tip Tuesday, demonstrating everyday life skills. The more we know, the better we live. Brought to you by OSU Extension.
Hi, I'm Whitney. I'm going to teach you how to use mindfulness to settle your body and to feel good. Mindfulness sometimes feels like a really obscure thing that adults practice because their lives are busy. Though some of that might be true, in reality, who doesn't feel stressed, overwhelmed, and anxious, especially in the times we're all living with the coronavirus and racial unrest? Mindfulness can give us tools for resilience. It's not about making life perfect or fixing all life's problems. It's about noticing what is. Let's try something right now. Make yourself some space to feel comfortable. Plant both feet on the ground. Remind yourself that you are brilliant and you're rooted in greatness. Wherever you're sitting, relax your shoulders and come into the present moment. As you breathe today, breathe from your bellies. Take in joy and inspiration and exhale anything that doesn't belong to you. Stress, fear, anxiety, frustration, and worry. What are you experiencing in your body? Do you think this seems weird or uncool? Don't try to undo those constrictions that you might feel in your stomach or the fluttering in your chest. Don't try to hold on to them either. Just watch your body closely and notice what sensations, impulses, and emotions arise. Now look around the room or the space that you're in. Pretend as if it's the very first time you've been there. Even if you're in your bedroom and you've seen these posters on your wall a million times. Scan the room and notice everything. Feel what's behind you, above you, beneath you, all around you. When you repeat the exercise one more time, notice what might feel differently than before. Maybe you feel less nervous, insecure, or anxious. You might even feel a sense of clarity and self-appreciation. If your body feels both hopeful and afraid, congratulations. You've just reached where you need to be for mindfulness. Mindfulness means paying attention in a particular way, on purpose, in the present moment, and non-judgmentally, to yourself and to others. You can work through a guide like the one we just practiced, and you can use it in everyday moments, whether you're walking or in between classes or just bracing yourself for a difficult conversation with a friend. Safeguarding your body also requires self-regard and soft, wise, compassionate self-care. Caring for your body supports its health, its healing, and its settling. A well-cared body also tends to feel better. For more grounding activities and resources for gratifying self-care routines, contact your local OSU Extension office today.